Hello and welcome to Crafting with Amy. I'm Amy and I've got a package. Um, I'm doing a mystery box challenge with Lori from the Crafty Connection, and I will leave her link in the description box below. But we sent each other, I've already started opening this. I haven't looked inside it yet. I just received it today. But I got it started so it'd be easier to open. And we're sending each other 10 items, and 2 of those items have to be challenge items, and those items will be wrapped in tissue paper. She received mine and did her upload yesterday, I think. But we have to use all of the items to make 3 Christmas DIYs. They all have to be from Dollar Tree, and we can use other things, but there's 2 challenge items that will be wrapped in tissue paper. I'm excited and I'm nervous too. And then once we get out and see, what we have to use all of those, but we can use other items as well. So I'm excited and nervous at the same time to see what I got, and then we will think about what we're going to make and then do our videos of what we made and upload those. I don't really know when we're uploading those right now, but I'm going to finish opening it and see what I have. I don't have my muscles on today, and I'm trying to do this with normally when I try to do my microphone, as I normally have to do voiceovers because for some reason my microphone is corrupted. Oh, I've got a note. And I feel bad because we don't have, our Dollar Tree isn't great. It says Amy. Here is your mystery box. The challenge items are wrapped in the tissue paper. It was such a hard decision to pick stuff out for this. It was so much fun. Can't wait to see what you sent and to see what you come up with. Happy crafting, Lori. That was, I said I didn't put a note. I was going to get a card and I forgot to. So I don't think there's nothing in that. So here is obviously a challenge item. I'm going to set that aside. And I can find the other. And here is a challenge item, so I'm going to set that aside. Oh, she's got some. Oh, it's one of those deer. Well, I did the same thing. I put, what do you call that? Paper. So there's a goat deer. That's a pretty deer. I don't think we have those. My audio stopped, so I'm having to do a voiceover for this part. It just froze up for some reason. And these Christmas trees, we don't have these either at our Dollar Tree. Those are so pretty. We have some of the smaller little bottle brush trees, or had, I don't know about now. And a wooden sled. We don't have those either. Isn't that cute? And another sled. Isn't that pretty? And I think I can tell, well, I already know because I'm having to do this voiceover. I thought it was 10 items and 2 of those were the challenge items. But apparently I got the instructions wrong because I sent 10 and 2 of them were the challenge items. That was a pretty sign, or is a pretty sign. And this is pretty. I had one of these from Easter, but I haven't seen them at our Dollar Tree. Isn't that pretty? And you don't hear any of the ruffling because, like I said, my audio stopped and I'm having to redo this portion. And the garland. I can't remember now how big that garland is, but it's quite a bit. And you can never have too much garland. And fake snow. You can never have too much fake snow. I'm excited, but my mind's already racing. And these little bitty gift boxes, aren't those cute? And a church. Isn't that pretty? I haven't seen those at our Dollar Tree. And I've got it backwards. Duh. But yeah, I think I owe her 2 items because I misunderstood the instructions. Misunderstood. Yeah. And for the challenge, of course, now I already know what they are. They're little, I thought they were fairy lights, but they're yellow. Let me see. LED 10 lights. I think these are fairy lights. I think I just froze a while ago. Um, they say they're yellow. Well, that's cool. And then this one. Oh, I see red and white. I don't know what it is. It's socks. Oh my goodness. What are you doing to me, girl? Come on now. Socks. Those are pretty socks. And they feel so warm. Will it count if I just wear them while I'm making stuff? Does that count? Oh no. Okay. Well, I'm gonna try to figure out what I'm gonna do with this. Like I said, we have to use all the items that we got. Don't think I can wear the socks and count that. Um, but they're so pretty and they're so warm and they're so soft. Um, and then once I figure out what I'm going to do, I'll upload the video. I don't know if we're going to upload them like the same time or I don't know. But again, it's Lori with the Crafty Connection, and I'll have her the channel to her, the link to her channel in the description box. And you all, I finally have a community tab that I didn't even know I had. So I'll probably post on there to let you all know when I'm talking with my hands, when I'm going to upload what the this video. So you all be watching for that and go over and check out Lori. She's amazing. She has such neat ideas and very meticulous with her work. So I will see you all in the next video. Thank you.